Hello from Royal Jozini in Eswatini, the land of the Swazis. Royal Jozini Private Game Reserve has a variety of large homes. So if you've been longing to get away with family, with friends, or just you as a couple, we've got a variety of really lovely homes where you can stay. You just have to pack your clothes, your food, and your drinks, and everything else is provided. And each lodge has a dedicated housekeeper who will wash up, clean up, make beds, and look after you while you stay. So for that wonderful bush breakaway where you can come together, relax in solitude in the wild, and listen to the bird song and watch the animals, it's just a fabulous place to be. We have giraffe, elephant, over 300 types of birds have been spotted at Royal Jozini, which is amazing. And it's really a lovely environment. Lake Jozini flows to the edge of the Lobombo Mountains. And if you're a keen tiger fisherman, then it's just an ideal place to come and just cast your lines, fly fishing, or with bait, or with spinners and spoons and poppers. You can come along and have a lovely time fishing at the lake. You have to be careful. There are crocodiles and there are hippos, so you can't wade into the water. You do have to be careful. But basically, just to get into the rhythms of nature, be awake when the sun rises, watch the fantastic sunsets, and just thoroughly enjoy the most fabulous time at Royal Jozini. So, to see the rugged beauty of Africa at its best without compromising on your comfort levels, do get in touch with me if you'd like that wonderful getaway that you've been longing for.